Hello everyone, and very warm welcome to all of you in the class. Now we are going to start our new lesson of chapter number 2. Okay, and our topic is use the correct order of operations in algebraic expression. Okay, in the previous lesson I told you about what is expression and what are the algebraic expressions and how we can construct an algebraic expressions. Now in today's topic we will discuss about how we can solve an algebraic expression with the correct order of operations. Okay, and this is our school mission and vision. Now before going to start today's lesson, first we will discuss about the value of the week, and the value of the week is respect is my habit. So I write a quotation which is respect is earned through actions, not demanded through words. Okay, so also I write something about respect or me responsible for your children, for your action. E for expect to give your best. S speak kindly to others, pride in your actions. Okay, encourage one another. And C for come prepared to learn. And treat others as you want to be treated. Okay. So next one is these are some benefits of the good habits. Okay, and what is the number one benefits of good habits is good habits help you stay focused and perform well in the school. So if you have the good habits, it will help you to focus and perform very well in the school as well in the classroom. And the second point is they make it easier to complete tasks. Okay, it also helps you complete the task, either the task is difficult or easy, so you can complete your task on time. Okay, if you done with it with discipline. Now third point, good habits improve relationship with classmates, with your friends, peers. Okay, the fourth one is they contribute to overall health energy levels. The last point is that if you have the good habits, okay, it boosts the self esteem. Mean to say that it build confidence in you. Okay, so these are some few benefits of the good habits. Also, I suggest you that respect should be at the priority level of the good habits. Okay. Now these are some objectives of our today lesson. Number one objective is how do we substitute into expression, and number two is how to use the correct order of operation in algebraic expressions. Now this is our lesson starter. I will solve an example. Through this example, you will learn how we can substitute a value in an expression. Okay. Now the question is that Adil father age is 5 years, which is more than 3 times Adil age. Now this is the first part of the question. What is in the Adil father's age is 5 years. Let's suppose that Adil age is Adil age is equal to, let's suppose that A. Okay, because we don't know the the age of Adil. Okay, and in this now his father age is 5 years more than 3 times. More than 3 times. In the previous lesson I told you about that when the more than word we use in any question, it means to that we add something to any numbers. Okay, so now what we have to find in this question, calculate the other father age when he is 13 years old. Okay, in this we have to find the other father age when the age of the other is 13 years old. Okay, now suppose that other age is A, represented by the first letter of name of his letter. Okay, according to problem father age, how we can write the expression for this statement? 3 into A plus 5. Why we write this? Because father age is more than 3 times of the Adal age. Adal age we have represented by A. So Adil age is 3 times more than 5, more than Adil age. Okay. Now find the age of his father. Okay, when the Adil age is 13. So replace a by 13. Okay. So we use the correct operation. First we multiply. Okay. When we solve an expression with the correct order will be, we will solve first multiply. We will solve first multiply, then addition. Okay. So 13 3 times 39 and then 5. So what is the answer will be 44. Okay. So in this example you have learned that how we can substitute a value in algebraic expression like this one. Also how we can use the correct order of operations. Okay, in this we use the multiply operation first and then addition. Now these are some algebraic expressions. In this slide you will learn how we can uh, put the values of uh, x, y and z in any expressions. Okay, for example, first part is that this is totally about substitution. Okay, substitution. Now first one is 3x plus 2y minus z. Okay, now what is the value of x? X is equal to, so write x, so replace x by 2. Now what is the value of y? Replace y by 3 and z by 1. Now first we will solve the bracket. Okay, this one, 3 2 times 6. Okay, again 3 2 times 6, then minus 1. Addition first, then subtraction. So we will solve this one. 6 plus 6 12 is equal to 11. So always remember that when you solve any expression, must remember that follow the rules. Okay, for example, BIDMAS rules. Okay, in further slide I will tell you about this one. Okay, in this we add first then subtraction. Okay, now any other question, for example 3x square y square minus z. So what is the value of x equal to 5? Replace x by 5 and y by minus 2 square and z by minus 3. Square of 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 25. And square of minus 2, in the first chapter you have learned that the square of the negative numbers are always positive. Okay, so minus square 2 square is equal to 4. So here are the two signs, minus minus plus. So 25 plus 4 is equal to 29. 29 plus 3 is equal to 32. Okay, so this is all about how we can substitute our value in an expression and how we can solve the expression with the correct order of operations. Okay, so this is the rule you will follow when you are going to solve any algebraic expressions, any equations. Okay, so what is the rule is BIDMAS. Okay, so BIDMAS. Okay, okay, I will tell you about the BIDMAS. That helps remember the order of the operations. Okay, now what is the abbreviations of these letters? B for bracket, I for indices, okay, G for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtractions. Okay, now when you have solved any expressions, first you will solve the bracket first. Okay, let's suppose our example 2 plus 3 bracket multiply 4. So what should we solve first? We should solve first bracket. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. After brackets, there is a multiplication. Here is a multiplication, because in this question, after bracket there is a multiplication, so we solve bracket first, then multiplication. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, then multiply 4. The answer will be 20. Okay. Now indices. Indices also called the exponent. 2 raised power 3. 3 is the index power. Okay. 2 raised power 3 we can write it as a 2 cross 2 cross 2, because 2 power 3 mean multiply by same number 3 times. 2 times 4, 2 times 8. Clear? So this is indices. Now division and multiplication in this example. 6 dividing by 2 multiply by 3. Okay, so we will solve the division first. Okay, then multiplication. 6 dividing by 2 we will get 3. Okay, division is complete. Now 3 then multiplication. After division we will multiply. Division first, then multiplication. Okay, so 3 times 9. And this is all. This example is about addition and subtraction. 7 plus 8 minus 3. So we will first form the addition. 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 3. So solve addition first, then subtraction. 15 minus 3 you will get 12. So BIDMAS, okay, rule you will follow when you solve any algebraic expressions. Also it is also called BEMDS. Okay, it is another name of this BIDMS. Okay, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay, so just remember only one rule. Okay, BIDMS. Okay, this is the correct order for operations when you solve any algebraic expression. Now substitution with the order of operation. Let's suppose we have an expression like this: 2x square. We have an expression 2x square plus y square minus 4z. Now replace the value x, y and z. Write coefficient 2 first, and x value of x. Replace x by 3 square. Replace y by 2 square. Replace z by 1. Now according to BIDMS rule, so first we solve bracket. So there is a no bracket. Just see, this is one bracket for numbers only, not whole for two numbers. We will solve indices. Indices mean power. Okay, 2 3 indices power 2 is, we will write as 3 cross 3. Okay, now 2 power 2 we write as 2 cross 2. 4 1 times 4. Okay, we will solve this indices. Now to solve the bracket, 3 times 9, 2 times 4 and 4. Now multiplications. Multiply this number 2 9 times 18, as you can see that, plus 4 minus 4. Clear? We solve the indices. Okay, there is a no division in this question, so move on next one, multiplication. So there is a no multiplication in this. Move on to the next one, addition. So first addition, add these two numbers first, 22. After addition we will solve subtraction, so answer will be 18. So this is the correct order of operations. Okay, after substitution. Now this is the question from the textbook, page number 32. Jake thinks of a number n. Write an expression for the number Jakes get when. So we have to write the expressions for these statements. We have to write the expressions for these statements. Okay, now number one part is that multiply the number by 6, then add 1. So first we'll write the rule BIDMAS. As you can see that BIDMAS. Okay, BIDMAS rule. Okay. Now first one is that multiply the number. Let's suppose this number, Jack thinks the number of n. Okay. Multiply the number by 6. Multiply the number n by 6, then add 1. Clear? So we can write it as 6n plus 1. Okay, multiplication first, then addition. Okay, now second part is divide the number by 4. Which number? N. Divide which number we have divide the number by 4, then add 5. So we use here divide first, then addition, because there is a no multiplication. Now third one is that multiply the number by 2, n by n into 2, then subtract 3. So what is the answer? 2n minus 3. Then what is the fourth part is divide the number by 10. Which number? 10. n by 10 and subtract 7. So we have converted these statements into algebraic expressions, okay, by using this BIDMAS rule. Now this is a question from the textbook, page number 32. This is a totally basically a question matched with the correct algebraic expression. These are some statements are given in the question, so we have to match these statements with the correct algebraic expressions. For example, multiply n by 5, multiply n by 5, multiply by n by 5 and subtract 4. So for write first 5n minus 4. So what is the correct option is the 4 one, this one. So answer of A, question A will match with 4 part. Okay, the remaining as B. Let's suppose that B, add 4 and n. Okay, how we can write it? N, add 4. So why we write first n plus 4? Because these two numbers will come in the bracket. These two numbers will come in the bracket. So I write first these two numbers. Okay, must follow the rule BIDMAS. Here is first is bracket, so these two numbers will come in bracket. So that's why I write first in these two numbers, then multiply 5. Clear? So what is the correct option is 5n plus 4. The first one is, so B will match with first part. Clear? This is the part B and this is part A. Okay, now part C, multiply n by 5 and add 4. So multiplication is first, then addition. So multiply by n by 5, we write as 5n, then addition 4. So what is the correct option is 5n plus 4 is V. So C will match with part V. Okay, clear? B will match part 1, C with 5. Clear? Now solve anyone. So I solve these D, part D and E at home, okay, as a home task, and F also. Same procedure, okay, must follow these rules. So rest of question you will solve as a home task, okay, as a practice, and share with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now it is a question from the textbook, page 34. These are some expressions are given. We have to convert into statement. In the previous this slide, we have given the statements and need to convert into expression. But here is an expression are given. We have to convert it into statements. Okay. For example, I solved the question in part 2 and the last part 4. Okay, 5x minus 4. How we can write in statement? Start from 5. 5 times x mean to say that 5 is multiply with x. Times mean multiply. Okay, when we use the word times, it means multiplications. Okay, 5 times x dividing by 7. 5 times x dividing by 7, then minus 4. Clear? The last one is that start from 3. 3 plus 7, 3 plus, first write 3, then operation plus, then start from 7 times x dividing by 8. Clear? Now this is a question from textbook page 35. Okay, so I will solve only first two parts. Add 5, convert into algebraic expressions. Add 5 to 1 half of y. This 2 will come in the bracket. Okay, add 5 to 1 half. 1 half means 1 by 2. Then multiply by 6. So that is the correct option, because add 5, here is a 5, 1 half of y, this is 1 half of y, then multiply by 6. Okay, then part B, add 6 to 1/5 of y. This will come in bracket, so we write first right here, add 6 1/5. So 1/5 is 1, add 6 1/5 of y. 1/5 of y, what does it mean by 1/5? 1/5 of y is equal to y over 5. Okay, and multiply by 2. Okay, so C and D part. Okay, I will solve also D. Solve this at home. Okay, D part, add 5 to 2/5. Add 5, this add 5, 2/5. 2/5 mean 2 by 5. Okay, of y, then multiply by 6. Okay, now move on. This is your home task. Okay, solve this at home and share with me WhatsApp number. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope so you have enjoyed the today lesson, how we can use the correct order of operations when we're going to solve algebraic expressions. Thank you so much.